and this is regarding Mukti Support School. What we are anticipating after 2 years of pandemic, when the school will reopen, a large number of village kids may get dropped out. That because those kids are from underprivileged family who didn't have any digital access due to digital discriminations. They could not continue their study. When they will come back, a class 5 or 6 kids in class 8 or 9, then these kids will not be able to cope with the higher study. And in that particular age, we all know they are very vulnerable, right? The girl sides may get immediately married, and the boys also may go back to field to work with their families. So what we are going to do, Mukti is running more than 16 years support school program, 3 hours every day, taking expert teachers. We normally teach kids in groups so that they can do better result in school. After modifying little bit of that program, we think that has capability to handle these situations, the post-pandemic education situation. Here in this slide, we wanted to discuss about the context. We have 4 aspects if we think from school point. Even before pandemic, we found the teachers and student ratio was very bad. Sometimes we observe 1:150 kids. And the teachers also was traveling from very distance. They are not giving enough time to school. And the education is mostly livelihood driven, and the value education was compromised. And now, in addition to that, the school is closed. From student aspect, because of pandemic lockdown, as the school is sitting at home, after reopening of school, definitely it will be a huge challenge for them. And from parent point of view, as many of the kids are first generation of learning, their parent cannot help in their study or educations. Even maybe at home they do not have the study facilities or environment. So they need a group study in a distance with a proper guidance. And also the parents may not have enough money, especially after pandemic situations, to fund their kids. And from the youth point of view, many youth didn't get a job and they lost job because of the pandemic. They're sitting idle, unemployed. So our approach is using these youth for the education purpose so that these youth also can get the employment. So these 4 aspects of the school, student, parent and youth are being taken care in the solutions, and which also will take care of the post-pandemic situation which we believe. Here we wanted to say that what we are doing, how we are doing, who will be benefited, why are you doing, and all these. This is nothing but addressing the issues which we discussed in the earlier slide. Here are the benefits which from the program normally the kids are going to get, that is being discussed. So mostly it will be the program is actually taking 5 teachers in a center. Center means if there is an empty infrastructure from the school or fun club, those can be utilized in the morning or at the evening time based on the electricity availability. And these 5 teachers will be teaching 20 to 25 kids in a group with a very minimal cost. And these teachers will keep continuous touch with local school for them. These guys are actually working. So they will have a continuous meeting and understand what is the gap in the school, which subject they need to take care properly, or which kids need to take care what subject. That way they will have a cooperative approach, and then they will be teaching. And here in the post-pandemic situation also, these guys will take care in such a way that if any lower class staff is not taken care, that also the backlog also has to be clear in the before school or after school program, so that they can do the better in the current class. Here a typical sample of routines normally we follow that based on the class or class 5 to 10, various subjects we are teaching, and number of sessions we have given over here. Normally every week every kids get 15 hours of sessions from 5 different expert teachers or 5 different subjects. Here is a fee structure. Normally we charge our kids. Normally if you calculate monthly, it is very nominal, only 83 to 125 rupees per month, which is eventually yearly 1000 rupees to 1500 for all the subject, and 5 teachers will be teaching the mathematics, English and all the subjects, and that way they will be collecting a fees, and this is the maximum number of fees, maximum number of kids, so 150 kids, and then 1,90,000 fees can be collected. So in the model, now we are supporting after raising fund from sponsor, a fixed price, a fixed things, and a variable. So teachers are getting 60,000 support from us, and 1,90,000 they are raising from the locals. So it's 2,50,000 is being divided by 12 months divided by 5 teachers. So it is coming around 4,000, 4,500 per month will be a income to the unemployed educated youth who are sitting the locally. And also we have some cost, especially for teachers training, some program management, software cost, some value addition package, and some books, material support, electric support and others. So what eventually then we need is center to run 1 year, it needs 3 lakhs rupees. For 1,10,000 rupees we have to raise from the donor to run a school, to employ 5 unemployed youth, and to take care education of 150 kids. Here is a sample data which we made a survey where we ran on the top 2 school. We found the kids and normal kids who are not attending our Mukti Support School. We found that 2/3 of their kids are below 45% marks, and only 1/3 above. And after intervening with this Mukti Support School for this after school program, we found is the reverse pyramid. We found 2/3 of the kids are above 45% of the marks, and 1/3 below. So this This is a proven method which we are working from last 16 years, and now this program can help our post-pandemic situations to prevent dropout and to take care of the backlogs educations, and we can work hands to hands with government school so that the kids can easily can sail through these situations. Here in the last slide, we wanted to discuss that where we are. Currently, we are running 25 support school with 125 teachers and 5 staffs, and currently 2,815 kids are already studying. We had total budget around 70 lakhs, and out of that 27 lakhs we are getting support from sponsors. In the middle, we are planning, as post-pandemic we are expecting that school will be open from January. So from now and onwards, we have to ready with these 3 months, October, November, December, that if you are planning for 500 new school to open, then 2,500 teachers are going to get job and 75 support staff to take care of 75,000 students. We need total budget of 15 crore for that, and maximum fund locally we can raise. We need from support or from sponsors 5.5 crore to run 500 such school. So with raising 5.5 crore, we can give job to more than 2,600 youth, and we can take care 75,000 kids who are most vulnerable from dropout point of view. How we can implement? Mukti is associated with HS and high school head teachers or principals. 4,000 such high school are connected with us, and we are going to request or collaborate with these head teachers to run one or more than one centers for the benefit of their school and their kids as well, and they will be getting the support from us, and of course they will be raising the local funds, and that's the way this kind of support school will be running. Multiple school will be running in a local area, so that they can take care of these challenges locally. And of course there will be a nice software which will be used for tracking the kids and reporting purpose, and whole things will be a collaboration approach with government school, so that after these situations they can handle it properly and do the better result. Thank you very much. We are expecting your support, and if you are really interested, please reach me here. My email ID over here is shankar.haldar@muktiweb.org. Here is my phone number as well. So I'm looking forward your support to work for the society and together to overcome this really a challenging situation in the education sector.